Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use Overdub for voice cloning in Descript. Ladies and gentlemen, using the Overdub feature here within Descript is really simple. I'm going to show you two ways to master this. The first thing you need to do is, if you have multiple speakers, you need to label your speakers. Okay, now if you've got just one speaker, you'll see over here just above where the transcription has started. Go ahead, click on this. You will be able to assign an avatar, and then you will go down to what I've named it, speaker 1, hit the three dots, and here click on enable speech generation. So basically what is going to happen now is you will record yourself saying this. You can now choose your microphone, click on record, or you can choose a file. What it will essentially do is it will create a clone of your voice. So in the future, if you'd like to use your voice to voice over any other project without you actually having to voice over it, this is the way you'll do it. So you'll choose your voice as the voice for the video. Now, another way of doing this is clicking on here and going to browse stock AI speakers. And here you can choose somebody that you would like to use. Once you've selected the voice that you prefer, go ahead, click on it. You'll now see that the label has changed to Bernard. It also has an AI label stating that this is an AI voice. And there we go. You've now overdubbed your transcription or your video